Hello and welcome to this mini crash course on the basics of music theory. Ideal for the beginner who wants to start writing music or learn something new, or for those who are a little rusty and need a refresher. Now this mini course has been broken down into 6 videos. Music notes, music scales, music keys, chords, the basics part 1 and part 2, and lastly chords, scales and progressions. So let's get started. Music theory is your composition blueprint. It will help you craft the best sequence of notes, avoid ones which may sound displeasing, and grab your listeners' attention by making them feel a variety of emotions. Now, knowing music theory isn't essential to craft a great song. Some will just dive in and play what sounds nice to them, which is great. What music theory does is it allows you to find that sound a lot quicker, understand how it's created so you can replicate its structure and make more awesome sounds for your music. So, if you're on a journey to make music, getting to grips with the basics will make your creative process a lot easier. Now, as a quick note, music theory is only a guideline you can use to assist you in your creative writing process. However, it is not a strict rule book and should never limit or prohibit your creativity. So when you're ready, click onto the next video in the series where we learn about music notes.